You know what this video is all about, so let's get started. My name is Salil. This is I make a program which help you to do a particular task in just say one word. Today I will show you my source code of my project in the Python language using a speech recognition libraries. Other libraries I will tell you soon. The viewers who are learning the Python languages can also make the code of their own need. I need to give a meaning of each and every line I written in this code. So let's get started. Import pyttsx3, import datetime, import speech recognitions, web browser, OS, time, Google Trans, import translator. In import pyttsx3, which used to convert your text message like strings into the computer voices. Date time, which help you to give a date, system date, and speech recognition is to recognize your words. Web browsers are which help to give the path of any purpose which you open in the one word. So OS is the operating system which help you to work on your operating system by recognize your words. Time, I use sleep syntax which help to delay the printing the line. From Google Trans, import translator, this help to translate my English language to Hindi language. So I use a variable system engine equal to pyttsx3 and initialize this SAPI. SAPI is the speech artificial program interface 5. The voices, I get voices from my own system. I using Windows 10 system, and system engine dot set properties I give to 0 because I have two languages in my system, two voices in my system, that is David and Zara. So I use a 0 as an index to that my program gives a David voice. So I give a functions like speak my boy, system engine dot say, and system engine dot run and wait. System engine I initialize in this in pyttx, which strings convert into voices. So another function I give bless me boy. You can give any name in this. Time in hour, I give a time in hour, so it give me a time that is 10:57 now, so it give me a 10:57. And how many seconds I show you 26 second, 27 second, 28 second, it give me this. If the time of r is greater than equal to 0 and time is r in less than 12, then it give me a good morning. There is a 10:57, so it give me a good morning. When it greater than 12 and less than 18, 18 means 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I give in this 24 hours standard time, so it give me a good afternoon before 6 a.m. 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. it give me a good afternoon, and afterwards after 6 p.m. it give me a good evening. And it speak that I am a robot, speed this 1 terahertz, memory 1 zettabyte, and please tell me how may I help you. Afterwards I define the intro in which the system will introduce himself, that who is he, and so I give the string and it speak all the words all the sentences that I have given in this function. That well I speak, therefore I am Salil is my name, invention his personal productivity systems, I am a machine robot name, I give him a name of water robot, I can do everything in this, I am virtual assistant. In this all it give me a it speak this all the sentences which I passes in this function speak my boy. So afterwards define a function in which I give a making notes. So I enter the text, and the which I enter the text, my water boat will speak in this whatever I write in this function. When I call this function, whatever I write in this string a, it will speak. So afterwards define voice to text, it recognize my words with the SR as a microphone as a source. SR is a speech recognition. I will initialize as SR. So SR is recognized as a source, and when it recognize my words, it simply say I'm listening, and takes dot pause threshold. This is the library in which I do a user have a take a pause in their sentences. Usually I do pause in my sentences, so I did takes dot pause threshold equal to 1. You can do whatever 0.5, 1.5 up. It gives a pause to your sentences, and afterward it give a full sentence to your output. So it try, I did in exception handling, it try, and it print wait I am typing, means it shows that he or she, the water board, is recognize my words and try to type in the language, and is recognize a Google as we know that there is a Google Assistant. So I link to the recognize as a Google, and takes my voice as a SR recognize, takes my voice and listen to my sound and languages that I have given to English Indian. So whatever I say, it simply type on the output screen, that is print you said problem whatever I speak. So by chance if it not recognize my words, it goes to exception block as E and print speak again, your voice is not audible. So it give whatever I do, whatever I speak, it will show me a notes. Whatever I speak, it show me the text note whatever I speak. So making notes which I text, and computer will say, my water boat will say. And voice to text is when I speak and water bot is typing. So introduce me, I define a function that I want to say that please who I am, that introduce me. First of all, he said about himself, and also tell about you as a user. He said that I guess you are a human belong to planet Earth, and I am right. If I said right, it goes to I will tell you soon. So define obey my words. I give the define function obey my words. It will recognize my words with the microphone as a source. Simply say, and it say that yes you are audible, print and speak, ask your query. The water bot will speak that please ask your query, that I will give a 1 threshold, try, give to the, and it understand my words, go to the exception block if don't understand. So this is my all functions in import by ttx date times. This all main functions that I have defined. Afterwards I defined the if name equal to main function I use in the Python. As some other languages in C, C++, there is int void or a void main, int main. In Python there is a if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equal to main. So it print, when I run it print firstly this, the main function, this is my personal assistant, and sleep for 2 seconds, sleep for 2 seconds, and then after 2 seconds it will print this help you to do things in just one word, and sleep for 1 second, and it bless me afterwards, bless me, and it say good morning sir, and you can ask about, and this all speak, sleep 1 second, all 1 second differences, sleep for 1 second, ask about myself, I also introduce you, I will tell about the weather outside, it all tell about, it also open the applications, it also speak the notes you make, is also write your note you speak, open your operating system, and also translate your word. This all function we define here. This blessing, this introduce himself, blessing, speak, making the notes, the voice texts, the it obeys. Now while true, while true. So problem when we say to the waterboard, it simply convert into lower language. So that's why if time in problem or a query that we given to recognize my words in time in problem are matching to this time, it simply say sir the time is 11 hour 6 minute and 5 seconds. Elif, tell about yourself. When we say tell about yourself, who are you, tell about yourself, so it say the well I am speak, therefore I am this invention and productivity, this all function will run. So when we say Google, so web browser dot open, we have to import web browser dot open for running the application like Google, YouTube, Gmail. So elif Google in problem where we recognize there is problem. So when we do Google in problem, or when we say open Google, so it justly open my web browser this, and afterwards elif there is a quit in problem, when we say quit, so it's speak that okay sir, goodbye, have a nice day, and it print this is a program made by, and center is for to print in the center of the output, and it sleeps for 3 seconds, and then after that after 3 seconds it will exit. So after we say that, I also introduce this elif YouTube, that when I say to waterboard open YouTube, so it will open my YouTube in web browser dot open. So this elif my PC in problem, whenever say a problem that open my PC, so there is a my PC, so os dot start file, os is to import operating system files, os files, there is a os files, so I give the path to every function that is os file, where it is os files, os start file, and path give to D. So elif when I say that my PC, open my PC, so it give me a D drive or anything, but you give the path, just give the path with double backslash, so that it will run properly. With the in single backslash you cannot run your path, it give you an error, or if it run it not run properly. So afterwards I give elif play music, it go to the C drive, user ASD is my laptop's name and music, there is a new folder. So afterward, introduce me. When I say introduce me, they give that you are a human. I guess you are a human, planet Earth. So introduce me. Yes, if say that you are a human, we said yes, so it say yes, thank you sir, so now tell me how may I help you. So this all say it give a user friendly to everyone so that everyone can use it. So elif Gmail in problem. So when we say open Gmail for me, so it simply open the Gmail with web browser.open, and we give a path. See, we give a double backslash and to open the path. So elif weather in problem. So when we say that we want to see the weather outside, so I give the path to this. I live in Amritsar, so that's why I give the path to this. So make the notes that I will explain you earlier, that when I make the notes, when I say make the notes, it simply say that enter the text here, and when I enter the text, that is Salil, so it Salil Chandan is good boy, so it give me that, it say that Salil Chandan is a good boy, say and run. Simply say and run. This make the notes. When we say what make the notes, and it simply, and elif WhatsApp, when we want to WhatsApp web, use a WhatsApp web for us in the computer, so we use, I give the path to this, to WhatsApp web, write the notes, and when we voice to texts, write the notes. When we use write the notes, it write the notes for me. Whatever I speak, it will write the notes. It will recognize my words and try to write my notes. And main and final is that I also introduce a translation in this. When my waterboard speak that what do you want to translate, it translate and give me that what do you want to translate. I enter that Salil, so it translate this English language to Hindi language, that I give to destination equal to HI. HI is a Hindi, HI is a API of Hindi. So this is all about my source code. So else I run else, but it give, but when you do something out of this problem, it speaks sorry, I don't know the answer to this one, but I am learning. Means it was upgrading. It's not this all end, it's upgrading day by day. When we say that, and if the sky is limit, so it upgrading day by day. So now we have to run this. I show you my running screen. Wait for a minute.
Good morning, sir. I am robot, speed 1 terahertz, memory 1 zettabyte. Please tell me how may I help you? You can ask about myself. I also introduce you. I will tell about the weather outside. I will tell about the current time. I will open application like Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, Gmail for you. I also speak the notes you make. I also write the notes you speak. Open your operating system. I also translate your words. Ask your query.
What's the time outside?
Please wait. Sir, the time is 11 hours 14 minutes and 42 seconds. Ask your query.
Make the notes.
Please wait. Solal is a good boy. Ask your query.
Write the notes.
Please wait.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine here. Today I'm writing a letter to my friend.
Ask your query.
Open Gmail.
Please wait. Ask your query. Please wait. Ask your query. Please wait. Ask your query.
YouTube.
Please wait. Ask your query.
Quit.
Please wait. Okay sir, goodbye, have a nice day.